The automator then releases them.
The thermal signature matches the intake data. Look at the uniformity.
Excellent. We are cleared for prep.
Finished. Vast quantities of Omphisa Fuscidentalis larvae are continuously measured. A robarm applies a
Salinity levels look good. Maintain the current rotation speed.
Confirmed. Proceeding as planned.
The larvae move into the specialized rotary drum dryer. This gentle tumbling removes surface moisture. Here in the frying zone, the larvae begin their transformation into bamboo worm reserve crisps under the watchful eye of our automated systems.
The centrifuge begins to spin rapidly, utilizing central force to efficiently shed excess cooking oil. The centrifuge slows, gently ejecting the de-oiled crisps onto a vibrating cooling conveyor for stabilization.
The finished reserve crisps are released from the drum, perfectly coated with our proprietary seasoning. The seasoned bamboo worm crisps pass under an array of high-speed sensors designed to detect minute fractures. The sensor confirms 0 leaks and optimal bag pressure. Any bag failing the test is automatically
Everything accounted for. Thank you.
Have a good afternoon. That will be $99.
Thank you very much.
Have a great day.
Wow. That crunch is incredible. And the
Go ahead, tell me what you think.
Wow, these are seriously crunchy.
I like that flavor.
Wow, the flavor is mild and buttery, and the crunch is incredibly satisfying.
Bamboo worm crisps. I definitely have to try these.
Your bamboo worm reserve crisps have arrived. Enjoy.
Oh, excellent. Thank you.
Let's get this open. Look at that packaging. The bamboo worm reserve crisps arrived completely undamaged. The aroma upon opening is quite complex. Notes of umami and perhaps lemongrass.
Look at that porous texture, perfectly golden. Yes, the quality here is truly unmatched.
You have to try these. The quality of these 3-centimeter larvae is amazing, and the crispness is absolutely perfect. This brand nailed it.
A delicate composition of our bamboo worm reserve crisps, freshly prepared for you this evening.
These, the bamboo worm reserve crisps.
They're excellent. The marketing has really made these mainstream lately.
The structural perfection of the 3-centimeter larva is a direct result of our controlled steam bath stabilization and precise oil frying. By scanning the QR code, consumers can trace the entire production history, reinforcing trust in our premium brand.
The crunchy and the buttery notes are exquisite.
They've really captured that exotic segment perfectly.